Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the iPhone 17 Pro Max or 17 Pro, any of the new iPhone or any iPhone for a matter of fact that has a black screen. You want to follow these quick steps to fix it. First thing you want to do is go ahead and connect it to a charger, charge for at least half an hour or so. And during this process, keep it connected to your charger. Sometimes you might do wireless charging because sometimes that port might not be working, so it helps to do it two different ways. Now, after you've done that, the next thing is you're going to follow this step here. You're going to locate the volume up and the volume down button, and then this big side button. What you're going to do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button like I am here. And we're going to see if we can get the Apple logo to appear on the screen. As you can see, I'm holding it still and still waiting for that Apple logo to appear. And once I see it, I let go. It took me about 15-20 seconds, but eventually I saw the Apple logo, which means I'm good to go. I can let it go, and it should go ahead and turn back on and fix that black screen issue. And if it didn't work the very first time, keep on trying. This method does work. It will not delete any of your data on the phone, so everything will still be on your phone. Again, all I did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down that side button until I was able to see the Apple logo when the screen was completely black. As you saw, it took me about a good 15-20 seconds. Sometimes it could take even longer. As long as you have it connected to a charger and doing this method, just keep on trying, and eventually once you see the Apple logo, you're back in business and it should be fixed. So that's how you fix a black screen on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Air. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.